I guess I'll open up another action figure. Oh shit. Ah! 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 It's the Hellbat! Ow, fuck. It's the Hellbat armor from Justice League. And the Batman. It's when, Robin and Damian Wayne was dead. And he... Ow! Shit. Ow. Ah! Anyway, he wanted to make Batman want to bring him back to life. And he took him to, Apocalypse. Or something, or the Apocalypse stole it. I don't know. I don't got that good memory. I read it. You read it. It's good shit. It's Batman and Robin by Peter J. Tomasi and Patrick Gleason. Patrick Gleason does good art. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, these McFarlane DC figures. Man, I wish I could give them good reviews. But so far, them Paul Rudd's heads don't stay on there too good. I opened up the Batman. Oh shit, he comes with fucking giant ass wings. Ow. Ah. Ah! Ow! God damn it, it hurts. Thought I'd sue them people at Five Below. Hit me in the fucking back with a aluminum bat. It ain't that big a deal. Just trying to get some scams going. Trying to take back some action figures. There you go, Hellbat. That shit is cool as hell, man. Look how awesome that is. He's got like all kinds of the same joints as that other Batman I opened. Look at that. Alright, does his head come off? That's wing fun. I can put him back on. Wings come off pretty easy. And they fold up. Ow. Ow! Somebody said I should soak the heads in like hot water or something. I don't know. Head don't come off. It's $20 down the drain. I don't know. Hellbat armor, McFarlane's Batman. 0 stars. It's like Hellbat coming up the quarter mile. Hellbat, Hellbat coming. You are supreme. The chick still cream. Hellbat. I don't know why I thought of that, but that Greases, they show that shit to kids. And there's like the song, The Summer Lovin', and Kanicki's like, did she put up a fight? Like, what? Is he asking Danny Zuko if he had to, like, force himself on a lady without consent? Whew. Kanicki's a piece of shit. Poor, what's-her-face, Stalker Channing. She got an abortion. She was pregnant. And she got an abortion. And that's alright with me. Because Don't need no more Kanickies in the world, and apparently the guy who played Kanicki in the movie was no great shakes either. Sorry if that offends you that I'm talking ill of the dead, but this is my channel, and I'll say whatever the fuck I want. And Grease Lightning is a gross song, because it's like, ugh, you are supreme. This chick's a cream. Grease Lightning. Ugh. Ugh. Calls it a pussy wagon. Ugh. Gross. It's just a bunch of creamy pussied ladies at Rod L. Hill, I guess.